Hi, and welcome to Milgat Farms. It's always pretty here on the farm. Check it out. Got a little fog in the valley. A couple of our cows are over there. Look, there's Stupid Dog. Gabriel's down getting his helmet. Not sure what for. Okay, buddy. And all the animals are out and doing their thing. And now it's time to get started on some work in the barn. So we got a special video for you today. Bat Creek Cabin has been asking me for a long time to do a video on my dream shop, or mega shop as Josh will do. We'll talk about his building. This is our, I'm not going to call it a dream shop because it's more like a nightmare right now. Ludford, and we have another friend. I'll introduce him to you in just a minute, Boyd. He's come over to help us get a lift installed, and that's going to be pretty cool. So let's go in and take a look at it. Come on, Helmet Kid, let's go. And this is Gabriel. Can you say hi, Gabriel? Hi. Hi. All right, guys.
I'll win.
What? You won? Come on. So as the light begins to adjust, you can see we've got hay bales down there. There's our evaporator. This is our log splitter that's going to get a lot of use here in the next week or so. Looking down that way, besides Gabriel, we have a bunch of hay bales, a tractor in the way. And then looking back at the door we just came in, junk, 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 junk. So this is definitely a well-used space that needs to be really well organized. Today we're going to be getting this section right over here organized. Everything's coming out of there, and we're going to look at the lift and see if we can get that installed. Boyd came over. I'll introduce you to him in just a minute. Here's a bunch of our hay that we made this year. We still got our next round of hay to be made, and we're going to pick up some hay from one of our neighbors very soon. We're probably going to have to move a lot of these boards out of here as well in order to be ready for that hay. But everything here, guys, this is just a nightmare. It's semi-organized. Most of it's on wheels, so it'll roll pretty easily, thankfully. And the lift is right buried right over there. So that's what we're going to move today. We're going to start to set it up. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do or how we're going to get it done. We do have some hardware we're going to have to pick up, but at least we can get it going. I know that I'm going to have to run electrical, and that's not going to be too terribly bad. And then we'll have to put some more lights, which are up there. Once we get that done, we'll probably put some racking in here to hide all our junk. I want to say that's just about it. We'll uncover a wash bay. That is really nifty. I'll put a wash bay in here. And at some point, we've got to put metal on the walls, put some more insulation in those, so we can have a fully heated shop. All right, guys, the first thing we need to do is get the hay out of the way, and then get this tractor out of the way. And all the way down at the other end, we need to put the hay in the building. It doesn't necessarily have to get out of the way, because it's all the way down there, right? But all this stuff over here has to get moved. Not this pile here, but the roof on the farm stand that's got to get put up. Some junk there, so we can put our hay right back behind it. And then we're going to start on this side right over here. That right there, guys, is a great find. It's a window that I found at the dumpster. My neighbor was throwing it away. It actually fits that door, a door down there, and a door right over there. So when my kids break it, or when I break it, I've got a new one. How cool is that? He was just gonna chuck it. Gabe, can you stand in front of Gabe? Can you stand in front of Gabe? I'll introduce you to everybody. Let me see if I can do this. There we go. All right, everybody, this is my neighbor Boyd. He's come over to help today to get the nightmare shop somewhat organized and help me get the lift installed. So at this point in time, Boyd made it over here first. I think Lud's coming over in a little while after breakfast, and we're gonna get some stuff done. Face the roof. What's up, dude?
You.
I need to move this, okay? So you need to move. Thank you. That's good.
I killed it right here. Right.
4 inches minimum depth, steel reinforcement.
Yeah, we have that. We also have a footer somewhere in here. So. These guys, and then use the lift to move these posts. So this one's gonna do something. First one.
Okay, 8 inches of any craft.
What are we going with? Just a inch.
So you just have to stay 8 inches away from it. Expansion joint. So we have to stay 8 inches away from this expansion joint.
Can you straddle that expansion joint?
No.
The snake, let the darn snake get
Oh,
Or raccoon, a rabid one.
Of course.
bye guys.
This is Kevin's house, and he'll be ready.
I'm ready to go when you are. All right, so right, do it. Let's go. All right, just take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Don't pull anymore. I got it. I got it. You stop pulling. You just keep it taut.
4x4, it didn't reach up here, did it?
Oh, hold on. Stop right there. Put a bolt in the bottom. Put a bolt down. And now you're pooping in tall grass. That's it.
Yeah.
Bring it down a little bit.
We'll catch it.
That's fine. Now all I'm gonna do,
Just drop it down.
look, I'm gonna grab it.
And let it come down.
Okay, so what I want to do? I know. You see what? Huh?
This is right for you.
Okay.
Here.
Where is Goat today?
I don't know.
Don't know?
That's chocolate milk.
I know, thank you very much. Did you make this?
No, Daddy made it.
Daddy made it? That's very good, thank you. Does it look cleaner back here?
Yeah.
See?
And then putting those over. You have to put that pile over there.
I know. Well, time for Sis to come home from school, isn't it?
No. No, it's not time. He's not back.
What time she come back?
7:30.
No.
8:30.
3:30.
We're going to get the animals some drink.
Tell Daddy I said thank you for the milk.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
So everybody, look and see what we got done today. We being Lud and Boyd and myself. Guys, I don't know if it does it justice, but this thing is a monster.
Yeah.
I mean, it really is big. The next, that thing is not, it's still off.
I know.
It's enough to drive me crazier. So guys, the last thing we need to do, or the last couple of things, is we do need to run electrical. And I have to run a 220 volt electrical outlet or junction box for our turkey plucker. Even though, guys, we don't necessarily need the turkey plucker, but it's gonna be nice to have it done and ready. So we'll probably put a junction box in and run both this and the turkey plucker outlet at the same point. So guys, I'm really grateful that Lud and Boyd came over to help out. Boyd is a stickler for details. And that's the kind of person you want when you're doing something like this. So guys, the next couple things that we have to do are bolt it to the ground, and we also need to do the wiring. So we could do the wiring, bolt it to the ground, run our safety cables, and I think that's just about it. And then we can use it. And the first or second project, I'm gonna say probably third or fourth project, because I know Boyd's gonna want to use it, and so is Lud. We're gonna put a clutch in this guy right here. This is a 1995 Honda Civic VX, and I've had this car for 25 years. I love this little car. It gets amazing fuel mileage, and it's gas. In its heyday, I was getting close to 60 miles per gallon on gas, and it has air conditioning and a radio. So I'm telling you guys, this is the bomb diggity. Look at that. You guys, I don't know if you can see them. The chickens are going. They're trying to come in here. And here they go. Oh, no. That's not, no. Go, Gabe. Grab them.
Grab her tail. She won't like you.
Yeah!
All right, come here. Let's do a quick outro. You want to be a part of this, Lud? You're part of the problem, or not part of the solution. Go stand there next to Mr. Lud, and we'll all stand together and say. All right, guys, we want to say thanks for watching our videos. This project's not quite done. We still have, you know, electrical and some other things to do. So there'll be another video when we get that part of it done. But this part of it is done for now. We appreciate you watching our videos. Consider giving us no thumbs up. It gives that thumbs up, everybody. And no, reverse thumbs up. And until next time, bye-bye. Gabriel, you gotta say it. And we say until next time.
God bless you.
That's right, guys. God bless you.